Good morning, class. Today we're working on Reader's Notebook, Lesson 18, pages 249 and 250. Today we're going to continue our work with prepositional phrases, and we will be using prepositional phrases to combine sentences, and we are also going to be continuing our work with transitions. You have been seeing transitions since 3rd grade, so this is review, but we are going to work a little bit with transitions today. Prepositional phrases to combine sentences. A prepositional phrase can be used to combine two sentences. And in our example, we have two short sentences, and they are, my dog loves his treats. He has one in the morning and at night. To combine those using a prepositional phrase, the example says, my dog loves his treats in the morning and at night. And the prepositional phrase is in the morning and at night. The activity says, rewrite the two short sentences by combining them into one sentence using a prepositional phrase. Number 1, our dog Fritz loves to look out the window. The window is in our living room. And a way to combine that using a prepositional phrase is, our dog Fritz loves to look out the window in our living room. And in is the preposition, and the phrase is in our living room. And I typed number 1 out because it's too small of an area for me to try to write even with my stylus. So our dog Fritz loves to look out the window in our living room. Number 2, Fritz barks at the mail carrier. The mail carrier is by the front door. Well, we don't need to repeat the mail carrier twice. So what we could do is Fritz barks at the mail carrier by the front door. By is our preposition. By the front door is our prepositional phrase. Again, I typed that up so that you would have an easier time reading it. So what you're going to do is continue on 3, 4, 5, and 6 using a prepositional phrase to combine two short sentences. You can pause the video and finish that up and hit play when you're ready to move on. On page 250, we have transitions, and we have a lot of examples of transitions at the top of the page. Transitions that tell different things or show different relationships. In this first row, all of the transitions in this box tell us about time order. All of the transitions in this box here tell us are a compare and contrast. And then all of the transitions in the bottom box are telling us about cause and effect. The transitions that we have for time order are before, now, next, later, finally, then, eventually, soon, first, when. Transitions that tell us comparison and contrast are as, likewise, also, similarly, unlike, on the other hand, but. And we also have cause and effect transitions, and those are because, as a result of, consequently, due to, although. Our directions today say fill in each blank with a transition that logically connects the ideas in the paragraph. Choose from those listed in the chart. So we're looking to use transitions from this chart up here to complete this paragraph. Blank the soldiers, blank found BJ. He was just a ball of fur. Well, we could say when the soldiers first found BJ, he was just a ball of fur. And that's time order. So we have when the soldiers first found BJ, he was just a ball of fur. Blank, BJ grew into a fine young dog. We could use something like later, BJ grew into a fine young dog, or soon, BJ grew into a fine young dog. I added the transition soon. So soon, BJ grew into a fine young dog. Blank other dogs his age, he was well behaved from the beginning. Well, most puppies aren't well behaved right from the beginning, right? So this one is a compare and contrast. And you could do unlike other dogs his age, he was well behaved from the beginning. And then I'm going to let you finish out that paragraph there, adding in transitions that best fit in the paragraph to make it flow smoothly. And when you've finished, you can take a picture of both pages 249 and 250, attach them to your assignment, and turn them in on Teams. Thank you.